We all have those areas on our body where fat seems to love settling down, those problem areas that seem impossible to shed even with exercise. You know, the tummy for some, the hips for others. But why does fat choose these particular spots? Well, it's not by chance. Our bodies don't just randomly store fat here and there. It's actually a complex process influenced by several factors, with hormones playing a leading role. Think of hormones like messengers that travel through your bloodstream, carrying instructions to different parts of your body, and some of these instructions tell your body where to store fat and how to use it. So, understanding these hormonal influences is key to understanding why you might be holding onto fat in certain areas. Among the many hormones in our body, sex hormones like testosterone and estrogen are particularly important in shaping our body's fat distribution. They act like sculptors, chiseling away at our physique by dictating where fat is deposited and how it's utilized. These hormones have different effects on fat storage. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, tends to encourage fat storage in the abdominal area. This is why men often develop a beer belly as they age. Estrogen, on the other hand, is the primary female sex hormone, and it promotes fat storage around the hips, thighs, and buttocks, contributing to a more pear-shaped physique. Now, let's delve a little deeper into this hormonal interplay. Testosterone, being more dominant in men, not only promotes fat storage in the belly, but also makes it harder to lose fat from this area. This is partly because abdominal fat cells are more sensitive to testosterone's effects. On the flip side, estrogen encourages fat storage in the lower body in women, which is thought to be related to pregnancy and childbirth. These fat stores act as energy reserves, crucial for nourishing a growing baby. So it's not just about the hormones themselves, but also about how the fat cells in different areas respond to these hormones, leading to the distinct fat storage patterns we see in men and women. Puberty is like a dramatic shift in the hormonal landscape of our bodies. It's during this time that those distinct male and female patterns of fat distribution really become apparent. The surge in testosterone in boys leads to increased muscle mass and fat deposition around the abdomen. In girls, the rise in estrogen promotes breast development, widens the hips, and encourages fat storage in the thighs and buttocks. These changes are all part of the body's natural preparation for potential future pregnancies. It's fascinating how these tiny chemical messengers, hormones, can have such a profound impact on our body shape and fat distribution throughout our lives.